Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is August 1st, 2021. You know the market is closed. Let's check out those charts and let's see what we could potentially get into for the next coming week. If you've liked what you've heard for the past weeks or whatever, make sure you hit that like, give me that thumbs up, subscribe for future content, and also just leave a comment. Let me know what you're feeling. So let's jump into the market. S&P closed at 43.9526. Record high was recently made again for the prior week of 44.2997, and that is not too far off. That's about $35 away from the high. It's not too bad. We had some back and forth activity happening last week, but we still made that high and we still closed somewhat near it. And of course, as I've reiterated time and time again, if you close near the high, chances are you'll have continuation. The week before, I had mentioned a pattern called an outside day formation, and I had said you need confirmation for that to be a confirmed signal. We did not get that as of this week. The trend has continued to move higher. We've had consistent movement in the direction the same way. I don't see any problems right here. There's nothing popping up that's giving me a warm, tingly feeling, that spider sense that something's going to happen in the near future. And until I see that, I'm not going to make any guesses. Follow the trend until the end. The trend is your friend. That's all you have to remember. That is the S&P. Let's check out ticker IWM for the Russell. The Russell is the one that I keep a close eye on because that helps me gauge the bull market interest. And it closed at 221.05. So 221.05 is what we closed at. Record high is still the same, 234.53. And we've had that continuation of just back and forth movement, just constant chop, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I had my concerns when we closed below 220 2 weeks ago. Then we pushed back towards that 220. We did not close above it. And then this week, we've got a nice close above that 220 mark. However, we have fallen below our 20-day moving average. And as you can see, the 20-day moving average is starting to finally curve and move lower. And you see that we've actually hit it and started to bounce back. So the back and forth action is catching up here, and I need to see some clarity. The market has been in this very same zone basically since February, when I gave my first warning to this activity alone. I continue to think that the market will do this for the rest of the year. That was my prediction then. It's still my prediction now. I don't see anything happening because there's no clear indications right now that things want to move that much higher. Now, I do still have a price target of 250. However, I need that to happen only if we get that close, yes, above that high of 234.53. Until I see that, we have chop. If we can close above that, then we have that possibility to go higher. So that is it for this week's episode. Thank you again for checking out. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. Time is of the essence. Always make sure that you take care of your time. You only have so much of it. So on that note, I'm getting out of here and I'll check you later. All right. Peace.